welcome back. So today I have another Dollar Tree DIY for you. Yes! So today I'm going to be showing you how I created these Dollar Tree tea light holders out of just stuff from the Dollar Tree and a few things that I picked up from Michael's as well. So I was inspired by lotus flower tea light holders that I saw so many times at Home Goods, but usually they're around $19. So I just wasn't willing to spend that much money on them. So I have decided to create something similar for a fraction of the cost. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created these, just keep on watching. Okay, I'm going to be using this bowl here from the Dollar Tree as well as these plates. And then I think I'm going to go in with these beads that I picked up from Michael's. But if you do not have those, you can definitely use these acrylic gems from the Dollar Tree. So I decided to use these gems that I picked up from the Michael's craft store, and I just want to fill in these spaces that I have here. So I'm going to go in with these kind of teardrop shaped ones right here and just place them in the center before I put down my jewels. Hopefully that will give me a little bit of bling and also fill in some of that space. Alright, now that I have it all jeweled out, I am going to go ahead and attach it to my mirror here. Okay guys, so I picked this up from the Dollar Tree. I really love the detail of it, so I'm just going to glam it out a little bit. Almost Craft Bond at the Dollar Tree this time around, and I'm going to give these a try. So I'm just going to go in with my jewels that I picked up from Michael's. I'm going to go in with my super small gemstones here, and I think I picked these up from Walmart, but I'm not quite sure. Now I'm going to be attaching this little ornament that I found at Dollar Tree. Now mine is a little bit beat up, so I'm going to attempt to apply a little bit more glitter on mine just to make it look a little bit better. I do not have this gold color, but I do have silver, so I'm going to try to add a little bit of silver on top. So guys, I really do hope that you have enjoyed this little video. I'm trying to be in my videos a little bit more, so yeah, that's why you get the same background kind of, and the lighting is not as great, but you know what, I'm trying, you guys. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and also hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.